good afternoon, or it is literally like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I slept in today. I should have done some work in the garden. Lord knows I need to do some reading. I'm feeling generous today. This needs to be harvested if you can see it. Red potatoes. This is my first red potato harvest. It's got potatoes in it. There will be no disappointments. Not like the last one. I'm not awake at the moment and I'm going to do a potato harvest. It is done though. This plant's done. This has been going since June. And that one I can still keep going. That's been going since June. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to harvest the garlic next month with the bucket of potatoes. So that should be a good harvest. So you have to wait for that one. Okay, what's the time? 1:08 minutes already talking away. So we're going to somehow harvest. It is a beautiful day today, and tomorrow is meant to be, ooh, this might not be looking good. Tomorrow is meant to be 29 degrees, our first 29 degree day. Now, I sensed a big potato somewhere. There we go. I could hear a baby crying in the background. This is very well rooted, which is a good sign. Now, this came from a soup packet. Falling out the wayside. Okay, very small, but I'm sure they're tasty. Oh, speaking of small, this might be one of my better harvests yet. The soil's still wet. There we go. Probably could have been left a little bit longer. I hope you can see what I'm doing here. Little potatoes. Ooh. Is that the sea potato? If it's a big one, it's usually the sea potato. Alright, we're going to have tiny little ones. There we go. I can see them around. The reality is I needed some potatoes anyway. There we go. It was getting to a point, because no one's been helping me out with food shopping lately. So I've got no car, so I have to rely on other people to help me out. Sometimes they just don't want to help me out. So that actually causes a dilemma in the fact that I don't have any food in the house. So that looks like that is it. Honestly, I thought that would be a lot bigger, but actually there's some pretty good, decent sizes there. So, you know what I might do? I might just harvest a garlic to see where I'm at. There we go. Now, because these red potatoes have been used, like, I don't know, second time around, the colour's sort of a little bit faded away a bit, so I just want to show you quickly. The capsicums are really starting to come along. This one in particular, up the back here, it's really starting to sprout out. Tomatoes. Don't know about these leeks and yeah. So up here I'm going to harvest a garlic for you, just for kicks. I want to see where I'm at. We had a lot of rain over the weekend. And yeah, so You ready? Here we go. Oh, you're joking. Is that it? Oh dear. Oh dear. It's not the garlic I was hoping for. Excuse me, I've got a runny nose. Okay. That puts a spin on things. We do actually have mini hard cabbage. Right. Felt like it at one stage, but no. So that can go. Oh, the snow's. Sorry. It's a spring day. So, some red potatoes for tea with a little bit of garlic. Forget what I do with that. Okay. It's looking like it's turning into something. So over here, I think we might get some more leaves. I think this plant might be starting to die back. And yeah. Oh, this is where I need my scissors. Ants are everywhere at the moment because we're going to get some more rain Thursday, Friday. That one. It's a sad word, guys. Bit disappointed about that garlic. It's been in there since October. Not October, April. You got to get these spinach leaves, silver beet leaves straight away because they die pretty quickly. And the problem with that is they turn yellow like that. You can't get to them in time, and it's a bit of a waste watering them. They're very tough to pull off though. Might have a batch of spinach here to blanch and cook up. I've had 3 batches so far. Oi! Yes, I should have got my scissors out. There you go. I like to do a Cartman South Park. There we go. I know, I'm always referencing TV shows and movies for some unknown reason. I don't know why. I stay home a lot because I'm trying to save up money for a block of land. So you can't go out partying or travelling if you want a block of land. You literally have to save money for a block of land. So on the low income that I'm already on, I'm actually doing pretty well. Oh, it snows. Did it just turn sideways? Sorry guys. Okay, so the camera's playing up on me. And come here you. Oh, did I get it back sideways? Sorry about that. It's fascinating how you think you got nothing and you're growing nothing. But look at that for a treat, huh? So red potatoes, silver beet, and a bit of spinach. Garlic. Good grief. I can't talk today. Alright, lovely peoples. I had to get that done today because I couldn't do it on the weekend because I'm going out on the weekend. Having said all that, I'm actually going to my brother's place and we're going to have a little session there. There's a bee. Oh, okay, that was a little too close, mate. I don't even know if I'm allergic to bees. I haven't been stung yet. 50 years old and I haven't been stung by a bee. So there we go, peoples. I'll be watching Allotment Diaries over in the UK. Now, he is a freak when it comes to his veggies. Not like mine. Just go over and watch him. He just pulls out these massive, great big leeks, carrots, parsnips, turnips. So jealous. Alright peoples, that's it. My back is done. Bye.